Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Conscience has released his new album titled Badman vs. Nice Guy. The album consists of 10 tracks and features songs like Up Move, Badman, Space Fight, Sunshine, among others. Badman vs. Nice Guy is the follow-up to his sophomore album, It Feels Good, which was released last year on SoundCloud. The Badman vs. Nice Guy project saw guest appearances from Baker Steez on Devil Eyes and Chaos on Spaceflight. Now, the Miss Universe Jamaica Beauty, Fashion and Wellness pageant took place on Saturday at the National Arena in Kingston. The pageant saw 18 contestants vying for the title and the chance to represent Jamaica at the Miss Universe finals. The night ended with 19-year-old former Montego Bay Community College student Ayana Tickle Garcia being crowned the 2019 Miss Universe Jamaica winner. The runners-up were popular Tony and Layla and Sean Graham Connolly, who were placed second and third respectively. Reggae Ambassador's Third World's latest album, More Work to Be Done, has debuted in the number 3 spot on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart. This marks the 22nd album from the reggae group and the first full studio album released since the death of the group's veteran vocalist William Clark, also known as Bunny Ruggs, in 2014. More Work to Be Done was released on August 16 and is produced by Grammy-winning producer Damian Jr. Gong Marley. The album features songs such as Third World Keeps Turning, Loving You Is Easy, Feel Good, and Sheep in Meadows. The album also features collaborations with Chronix, Taurus Riley, Busy Signal, among others. The 6-member reggae band, who is celebrating 45 years in the industry, made its debut back in 1975 as the opening act for the Bob Marley and the Wailers World Tour. Since then, the group has pioneered the genre with an extensive catalogue of charted hits. Now onto the international scene, where Barbadian singer and entrepreneur Rihanna has become the richest female musician. Her wealth has come partly through her Savage X Fenty lingerie brand, which has secured US $50 million in new funds from investors following a strong first year of sales. The new funds bring the total amount invested in the company to $70 million. Rihanna also owns her own Fenty beauty brand. Savage X Fenty, launched back in May of 2018, has since earned applause for its inclusive sizing and affordability. The funding news comes ahead of the brand's second annual New York Fashion Week show this month, which will be streamed on Amazon. Rihanna is also planning to launch a Fenty luxury fashion label with LVMH, the largest global luxury group. The partnership makes her the first black woman to launch an original line at LVMH. Rihanna was also recently featured on the cover of September edition of Vogue Hong Kong. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.